Welcome to Singular and Plural Nouns for our online flip class grammar lesson. First, we're going to start off with singular nouns. So, the basic idea behind nouns will be that they represent a person, a place, a thing. So, just think of any typical person. How about DiCaprio? Any typical place, Japan, England, and just anything. Burger, cookie, something delectable. Those are singular nouns. Then we move on to the idea of plural nouns. In most cases, to add plural to nouns, you just add an S to it. So, for example, we have girls, with like singular being girl, girls for multiple, theaters, jobs. But there are exceptions. We have, for example, knives, wives, shelves, where we conjugate the F and the FE and we add VES to turn them into multiples. So there's tons of exceptions in English. That would be one of them. We also move on to the other exception, where we have words that end in X, CH, S, in which case we conjugate them in different ways. We add ES to the end of them. So lunchbox, lunchboxes, bus, buses, church, churches, different ways of doing it. Continuing, we also have counting nouns, in which case we have kind of expressions that have singular connotations to these words. For example, a man, an apple, the job. These articles give singular context to the words. We also have words that have plurals. For example, several days, these chips, many huts. They add different connotations to them. They add plurals, in which case the expressions are multitudes. And they also add S to the other words itself. Continuing on this, we also have exception words. These exception words are extremely unique, in which case they could be identified as singular or plural with those words that we used earlier. So milk would be an example of one, water would be another, and furniture. In some cases, so we take furniture as an example, we could say the furniture, expressing one piece of furniture. Or we could use some furniture, in which case we express many furnitures in a specific place. That'll be all for today in terms of singular and plural nouns.